morning to all. I am Soumya Sriram of Class 7. Success or achievement is not the final goal. It is the spirit in which you act that puts the seal of beauty upon your life. With this inspiring quote of Pujya Gurudev Swami Chinmayananda Ji, let us begin with today's Chin News. National News. Forest tree cover in India up by 2.261 square kilometers in 2 years. Forest and tree cover in the country had increased by 2.261 square kilometers since the last assessment in 2019, according to the India State of Forest Report 2021 released on Thursday. Releasing the report, Environment and Forest Minister Shri Bhupendra Yadav said the total forest and tree cover was 80.9 million hectares, which accounted for 24.62% of the geographical area of the country. The report said that 17 states and union territories had more than 33% of their area under forest cover, as reported by The Hindu. Different festivals being celebrated signify India's vibrant cultural diversity. Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi. Various festivals associated with the harvest and sun's northward journey are celebrated in different parts of the country. Prime Minister Narendra Modi on January 14th greeted people on the occasion of various festivals associated with the harvest and the sun's northward journey, being celebrated in different parts of the country. People are marking different festivals across India which signify the country's vibrant cultural diversity, he said, extending his greetings, as reported by The Hindu. International News. Spider-Man comic page sells for record $3.36 million bidding. A single page of artwork from a 1984 Spider-Man comic book sold at auction on January 13th for a record $3.36 million. Mike Zeck's artwork from page 25 from Marvel Comics Secret Wars number 8 brings the first appearance of Spidey's black suit. The symbiotic suit would eventually lead to the emergence of the character Venom. The record bidding, which started at $330,000 and soared past $3 million, came on the first day of Heritage Auctions' 4-day comic event in Dallas. Also on January 13th, one of the few surviving copies of Superman's debut, Action Comics number 1, sold for $3.18 million, putting it amongst the priciest books ever auctioned, as reported by The Hindu. Sports News. Saina has always been my idol. Win over her one of the biggest of my career, says Malvika. Growing up idolizing Saina Nehwal and her power game, promising shuttler Malvika Bansod on Thursday termed her India Open victory over the Olympic medalist one of the biggest of her fledgling career. As Malvika got down to reflect on her second round win over the injury-plagued star in the Super 500 tournament, she said it was yet to sink in. This has not sunk in yet. The feeling is great and I was really excited after the win. Malvika, 20, said after her 21-17, 21-0 win over the former world number 1, as reported by The Hindu. Moving on to Vidyalaya news. Well begun is half done. Our Vidyalaya was honoured by Palakkad Women's Chapter of OISCA as being selected for Children Exchange Program with Japanese children in the month of August. Our Vidyalaya was selected for the program based on the activities and achievements for being a member of OISCA since 2016. Maximum number of children from our Vidyalaya are attending OISCA's Salt and Prakashini classes. The unique herbal medicine garden in the shape of a human body and COVID booster garden got special appreciation from OISCA. Chinmaya Vision Program. Yada Drishti Tada Srishti. If one's vision is narrow and disturbed, the world seems filled with strife. but if it is broad and love-filled, then the word seems expansive and joy-filled. Our Vidyalaya CVP Master Trainers, Ma'am Kamalambika and Prashant Sir, enlightened the teachers, explaining our Gurudev's vision of life and education. It enhanced a positive energy and inward peace, which is very remarkable in this current scenario. Let us all have a vibrant and positive life ahead. Safety Week. The Road Safety Week is initiated with an aim to raise awareness about all traffic rules, all guidelines, which include road safety, workplace safety, the safety of human health, as well as the environment. To promote awareness among children, various activities such as poster making, seminar and discussion on road safety rules and regulations were conducted in our Vidyalaya. Little champion of our Vidyalaya. Our young champion Devananda M of class 3rd A won first prize in Kumait 44th JSKA National Open Karate Championship 2022, conducted at Puducherry, Palakkad on 8 January 2022. Kumait is one of the 3 main sections of karate training along with kata and kihon. You are a champion, Devananda. You are awesome at your game. Congrats on your accomplishment. National Youth Day 2022. On 12th January 1863, God blessed the world with a gem, Swami Vivekananda. The National Youth Day is also celebrated on this day. It is celebrated on Swami Vivekananda's birthday to commemorate his ideas and thoughts for youth. Children of our Vidyalaya participated in various activities organized on this day. A webinar on the significance of this day was conducted for classes 6 and 7 by our Miss Arati. Sri Ravi Sir, Chinmaya Mission member, orator who has initiated a lot of spiritual classes, conducted a webinar, Youth Alone Can, for the students of class 10th and 12th in our Vidyalaya. Now moving on to the special program, Awakening Indians to India, Session 27, let me welcome Maria Rose of class 5.
Awakening Indians to India, book by Chinmaya Yuva Kendra. The music of India is as diverse as its many cultures. India has over 1 billion people and hundreds of dialects and languages spread across the world. But there is still an undeniable sound that makes Indian music unique. Tansen. Tansen lived during the 15th century AD. He is praised as one of the 9 gems of Akbar's court. Tansen, respectfully called as Mian, is traditionally accepted as the creator of new ragas, which bear the prefix Mian. The musical descendants of Mian Tansen have come to be known as the Senia Gharana. Swadhi Tirunal. Swadhi Tirunal was born in the family of the Rajas of Travancore and was appointed the Maharaja of Travancore at the age of 16. Swadhi Tirunal is best known for his compositions and patronage of musicians. He has written a number of poetic works. Besides being a musician himself, he was one of the most generous patrons of art of his day and had in his court musicians and scholars of both South and North. Pandit Ravi Shankar. The sitar maestro was born in Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh. Pandit Ravi Shankar was trained in sitar under Ustad Alauddin Khan of Bihar and a court musician and disciple of Swami Haridas of the Tansen Gharana. Pandit Ravi Shankar founded the Research Institute for Music and Performing Arts in Varanasi in 1976. He is also a member of the International Music Council and has been nominated as a member of the Indian Parliament. Bhimsen Joshi. Bhimsen Joshi was born in Karnataka. He went to Gwalior to pursue his music. Bhimsen Joshi was a versatile singer and traveled throughout India. He was known as the flying musician of India. His ability to transform his audiences to a higher state of experience has resulted in huge audiences flocking his concerts in India and abroad. Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia, an internationally acclaimed flautist. Pandit Hariprasad Chaurasia is a very popular and eminent artist and is recognized for his outstanding contribution in popularizing Indian art music throughout the world. He is the greatest living master of the Bansuri, the North Indian bamboo flute. In recognition of his outstanding contribution to music, he was given the National Award of the Sangeet Natak Academy in 1984. He is the first flutist in Indian history to be awarded the Padma Bhushan in 1992. His flute elevates the listeners to experience ecstasy. Meet you soon to share more about Indian musicians in the next session. Thank you.
That was really an amazing session about our nation's great musicians. Thank you, Maria Rose. In all worthwhile undertakings, there will be risks of failure, of disappointments, of even disaster. To face them all with inner pose and firm faith is to discover the glory of final victory. A conquest without facing dangers is as dull as a victory without a shining glory. A game without a prize. With this rejuvenating quote of Swami Chinmayanandaji, this is Soumya Sriram signing off. Stay safe, stay positive and stay exuberant. Thank you.